How to fix Facebook story not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook story not showing on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here storage and click clean up. Now here you need to find junk files or cache, then click on it and click delete. And now just wait, and as you see the cache have been cleaned, and then just go to settings and then apps, and you need to find Facebook. Now just click this one here for stop and just go back and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.